Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Gears of War ED game not working, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. And also make sure that Gears of War ED game is also up to date. If it is not, then update the game and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to clear Gears of War ED's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Gears of War ED game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. Now you will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. And once your console restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Gears of War ED game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Then re-add your account and after adding your account you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to run Gears of War ED game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Gears of War ED game in the search bar and then click on it, then click on launch game and see if this helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. So if you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. And if you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS you can enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS you can enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Gears of War ED game. So simply uninstall Gears of War ED game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Gears of War ED game not working, not opening, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing or crashes at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.